Kashwa Alapin Snaknakwa Shinchashkalula and Kwakamachkan Derek Barney Shaman Squatchy. When it's your first time doing the whole loop, you get to finally see all of the communities that are a part of our nation, because if you're just on your one local area, then you'll never get to experience all the other places, and also the places in between each community. You get to see the different landscapes, from the rainforest of down below in Lillooet Lake area to the desert area of a pavilion and that sort of place, and then the three big lakes of ours, the Lillooet, Anderson, and Seton Lake.
Hello.
Hello, Valerie Ginger Diamond in Squatchy. I am on this unity ride so that I can break the cycle to better love myself and connect and unite with my fellow relatives in mind, body, and spirit, so that I can do land-based healing and remind myself of my land, language, and culture, as I live in a very colonized world, and I would like to, it's a continual practice to decolonize and indigenize, and along the way I forgot that, and to decolonize again, so that I can return back to the basics of the true meaning of life, which is family. And I would like to honor that and to uplift each other so that we can be resilient and strong together.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Georgette Barney, and I'm from Nanquaqua. Previously, I went to Signal Hill Elementary School, and currently I go to PSS in Pemberton.
Oh, awesome. And what's important about the Unity Run for you?
For me, what's important is I wanted to go on a journey of finding myself after all the grief that I've been through, and it's really important for me to connect with my culture like this and to learn how to live out on the land.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Everett Tom from Quayston, Stallion Territory. This trip's important to me for every child matters, and not only that, we're foster parents. We have 10 kids in care with us today, and they're all running. They all ran from all the way from Nanquaqua to Shalaf, and we've gone down up and over the mountain to Mission Dam. We spent the night there, and we went up to Ulus. It's up in Yalakum, and it's getting these kids to know theirs, and just bringing them out basically with land-based healing. We're foster parents, and we've been doing it for about 10 years now, and it's just giving culture back to the kids. Culture saves lives.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, my name is Sonia James Wells. My mom and dad are Jean Wells and Morgan Wells. I'm from Lillooet, Akshay, and Pittsburgh, Quayston. I'm on this trip to remind myself of the territory that the Stratlium territory, to remind them that we need to start taking charge of our own future generation, to start raising them on our land. And we have 10 foster kids in care with us, and I'm showing them the land and who they are as to be Stratlium. They belong to all of this Stratlium territory, not just one place, and showing them that it's all theirs, that hopefully in the future that they'd be able to stand up for what we stand up for. Not just not knowing where they're from and giving them the knowledge of the territory and the different family members, especially because we have family on every reserve, and you know they need to know who their families were, not just us.
What's your name?
My name's Sammy.
And how old are you?
I'm 13.
Oh, wow. And where are you from? What?
But I live in Bush.
So what's been important for you on this run?
I just like the running.
Yeah. And the camping? Yeah. And you get to meet lots of people?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Destiny.
Destiny. Where are you from?
I'm from Lila, but I live in Hoyt.
What's important about the run for you?
Anybody can do it, and our family is sending a message to everybody that we need more healthy foster homes for a lot of the foster kids.
Yeah.
I'm from Hoyt.
Who are your parents? Yeah.
Sonia, James, and Everett.
Oh, who's that beside you?
Rainer.
What's your name?
My name is Rosella, and Rosella Battles Edwards, and I'm from Nickerman and Wheatlock, and my parents are Melissa Wells and Kyle Edwards.
Thank you. Who's that behind you? What's your name?
Lisa,
Lacey? How old are you?
9, turning 10 in a month.
Oh, wow. And where are you from? What's your name?
Derek Joe in Chest, Palquat, Leetwet, Muscan, Statley, Muscan, Mulcree.
What's important about the Unity Run for you?
The Unity Run came after I did 45 days in a recovery home in Lillooet, BC, with the Community Cares building in the Juniper room. So I'm sober 2 months.
Oh, hey, I'm a.
And after I was done the Unity Run, or my 45 days, then came perfect timing for the Unity Run.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi everyone, my name's Nadine Baker. I'm originally from Port Rupert, which is the northern part of Vancouver Island. I've been doing this run since 2011 and I love it. Every spring when the dandelions come out, the mountains call me, and I love going out on the land, and that's what's important to me, making connections. And every year I learn something new and I get taken to somewhere special. So I'm learning lots about the land this year, learning more language, and this year I took a healthy risk and I'm singing and drumming out in public.
Oh,
All my relations.
beautiful.